Oh my god! What is this? What'd I do? Hello my friends and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be cooking breakfast. I want to make like this cool egg thing that I sometimes make, and then I put it on a bagel, but I normally have like 2 ends of a bagel and I only have 1 egg. So I'm going to improvise. I'm going to do the egg white for 1 bagel and then the egg yolk for the other one, and I'm just going to pray that the yolk doesn't break. So let's go. So here is my single egg and here's my bagel. So let's get cooking. I don't know a safe way to prop up my phone on the oven. Okay, so this is as good as it's gonna get, and I realize that my head's gonna be cut out, but you guys are gonna have to deal with it. Let's go. So the first thing that you do in this recipe is you get out your good old olive oil, and you measure out 1 tablespoon per egg. So I don't know where my tablespoon is, so I'm just using this tiny spoon, and I'm filling it twice. Oh god, that went over. That's about 1 tablespoon. Now's for the intense part, cracking the egg. Oh, I should heat this up. I should have brought 2 bowls. I successfully separated the egg from the yolk without breaking it. Look at this beauty. It's completely intact. Okay, this looks pretty good, so now I'm gonna break open the yolk. Why don't you break? Okay, here we go. And pour it in. Is it good to eat egg yolk by itself? Because that's what I'm gonna do. Ow! Oh my god, the sparks are flying, that hurt! I should flip it. I don't want to get shocked again, no. Just turn it down, then flip it. Ah! I can't flip it! I just have to go quick. I'm not quick, I'm hesitant. Quick! Oh, yeah! I think it's good. I don't want it to burn, but I also don't want it to be like yolky. Yeah, that's nice. And I'm gonna put the bagel in. And now I'm gonna do a little bit more olive oil. That's just enough. I'm gonna wait for it to like sort of boil again. Ah! This is what this looks like right now. It's kind of scary, and it's on low. Okay. Yes. Now for the fun part. Okay, I know you're really not supposed to do this while it's still hot, but it's fun. Okay, so this burner's still really hot. As you can tell, it's like gray and the other ones are black. And also, when I set this wet pan down, it does this. Okay, so now my house is all smoky, so I have to light a candle. And this one is from Bath & Body Works, and it's called Fresh Cut Lilacs. Oh my god, why won't this light? Aha, the candle has been lit. Okay, but seriously, there's clouds of smoke all over my house. That's kind of bad. Let me light another candle. So this candle we got from Marshall's. It doesn't really smell like anything. Like, it smells good right now, but when you light it, it doesn't smell like anything. Oh my god, this wick won't light because it's like all stuck inside the wax. You know what? This is a bust. Okay, so this one is a new one, and it's called Pure White Cotton, and it smells like cotton. Hands are getting all crampy because I have to light so many candles. It has been lit. Now I just have to open every single window in my house to try to get rid of this smoke. Now for the moment you all have been waiting for, even though the eggs are probably cold. Actually, they are cold. Why did I say probably? They are cold. Assembling the thing. Okay, let's go. This is the egg. Fold the egg in half because it's really big. And put it on the bagel. Actually, yeah. Here's the other egg. Put it on the bagel. Here's some salt. Make it salty. Oh, that's a lot of salt. Now it's good to eat. Now I'm gonna eat it. Not my best work, but it is edible. Now for this one, the yolk one. I have mixed feelings about this. It's cold in here because I decided to open all the windows because I decided to cook and make the house all foggy. Anyway, that's it for this video today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to like it and subscribe for more wholesome quality content. So I'll see you guys next time.